Hello, content creators. I know you are struggling to edit your content, but whenever you finish your content, you see CapCut icon in the corner. So I'm here to show you how you can avoid that and you get a clear content without CapCut icon. So get your phone, open your phone and long press CapCut application. There is a mark in the corner, tap in that corner. So you scroll down, you go to storage. So when you press storage down, you will see clear cache and clear data. You clear cache and you also clear data. Then you uninstall that application. I'm going to put link in my description. You go and download this CapCut application. After installing this application on your phone, I'm going to show you the settings, how you can avoid that icon whenever you want to edit your video. How are you going to do this? Uh, after after installing this application on your phone, you will go to Google Play Store. You will open Google Play Store. You go to Manage Applications. You scroll until you find CapCut. So when you go to CapCut, there is boxes to every application. Make sure CapCut is not allowed to update by Play Store. So when you leave CapCut to upgrade or to update, when you leave a Play Store to update your CapCut, so that premium mark will always be in your content. You can do the following as I'm going to show you on this video. If it is your first time to see me, this is Zivga Beats. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Well, so if it's your first time, so I'm here teaching you ideas, new tricks, and new strategies within YouTube and other applications. So we are on CapCut. I know most of the content creators, you look a lot of content and you want to join or edit your content. But the problem, whenever you finish editing your content, there is a marker for CapCut. So to avoid that, follow these procedures I'm going to telling you. At the end of the day, you will get your content free without any icon or any mark for CapCut. Well, I told you you go to Play Store after installing the application for CapCut. You go to Play Store. You go to Manage Application. After going to Manage Application, you scroll and look for CapCut. You try to look for CapCut. Make sure you don't allow Play Store to update CapCut automatically. So just leave it. You just leave it to Play Store to update CapCut manually. So when you leave Play Store to update CapCut, of course, premium features are going to happen to CapCut application, and immediately whenever you put your content at the end of the day of exporting your file, it will come with a CapCut icon in the corner. Of course, we need a neat work and a neat clear work without any other icons. Well, after that, you have to go to CapCut again. You edit your work. So whenever you find that you find at the end you want to export your content and you see that mark or icon in the corner, do the right procedures or the same procedures. Install or first clear cache and clear data and uninstall that application, and also download another CapCut application and install on your phone. Don't forget to go back to Play Store and open Manage Application, and don't allow Play Store to update your CapCut automatically. Just put it to manually to avoid changes, because when you leave it to manually, it will not update anything. No premium features will happen to your CapCut application. So I'm 100% this technique is working I know content creators, you are looking for the application is can edit your work and looks neat and clean. Of course, CapCut is your option, but CapCut comes with a premium side, and but you can avoid that, as I already informed you how you can avoid premium features. Well, if you want to edit your work and looks neat, there is some option for filters. They are good filters you can add to your video and give out good video with uh, 4K, 8K, and others. Well, within CapCut, there's another option is you can put, maybe you want to put icons, stickers, titles. Avoid putting your work without putting some icons for your name. For example, I'm Zivga Beats. I have to put my icon somewhere. So when you put a plain video and someone can go and download that video, of course, you can own that content, because if you can download your content and go and put it to another, maybe there's another application, not YouTube is the only application you can post your content. There's a lot of applications. So always try to take your time when you're editing your content. There's also some other features. Maybe you want to put stickers within CapCut. There's animation is you can put your name, but you want your name to move in different directions. You can use animation and give that what you put in your video to move in different directions. You can also add other things like pictures, add more videos. You can use overlay. There's a word you can see here as I'm showing you here. There's a word overlay. So you keep on adding pictures. Maybe you want to discuss about a certain video, you have it in your phone. So you can use overlay to add that video and you try to discuss it. That's how you can use CapCut and give out good content to your audience. Another thing is about how you approach the audience. Or always, whenever you are making a video, avoid starting with greetings and asking people to watch your video. No, you know, people, they don't have time. When you start talking a lot at the beginning, of course, they will ignore your video. Do like this. Start with the exact point, like about CapCut, how they can avoid premium features. Say, hello, my guys, I'm here to show you how you can avoid premium features within CapCut. Open your phone, do like this, and this, and this. Until then, at the end of the video, you call your audience and you thank them for following you and subscribing your channel. And you advise them to keep on watching more videos to get good content within your channel. Well, I'm not telling you that CapCut is the only application can edit your good. I'm not here telling you that CapCut is the only application can edit your work. You also have other application can do the same thing CapCut do. Of course, there is a lot of application within Play Store. You can keep on making research on different application, and I also put some of the application in my description. I will put link. Go and download those free application to avoid premium applications. Of course, if you are a beginner, you are on a beginner level, it will be very hard to use premium applications. Remember, right now you are not earning, but you're investing a lot of money to edit your work. So first take time, don't rush. First use the available resources. Later, if you start gaining from your content, you upgrade. I know you want to give your audience the quality work, the quality videos, but you can put quality videos and you receive 0 viewers. That's why I'm advising you to use other applications. Some of them are CapCut. There is it Vidiment and others. I'm going to put link in my description. You go and download those applications. Well, about applications, if you get any applications, even if it is free, make sure whenever you install on your device or phone or laptop, try to limit that application not to be updated by Google, not to be updated by Play Store, because whenever you allow that application to be updated automatically, of course, new features will be applying to your applications. And if new features applies to your applications, premium features will go direct and they will limit you to access features you have been using before. You can find that you have been using some features. When the application updates, you'll find the free features becomes premium features. So always remember to not allow Play Store to update your application automatically, even if it is free applications. So again, thank you for watching and subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is Bits. Bye bye.